not so well. And that can be attributed to their structure. So, two of the easiest ways to really change the structure of a protein is not to do like a genetic sequence change. The more of, I guess, the subtle ways are to either change the temperature or the pH. What's pH? We haven't done much with that. Potential of hydrogen. Yeah. So on one side of the pH scale, a low pH means that something is acidic. So your scale goes, we'll do this better, but this works for now. So the pH scale goes from 0 to 14. What's in the middle at 7? Yes, we got that. So salt dissolved in water, though, typically will either be acidic or basic, and it depends on the conjugate acid or base formed. Interestingly. Yeah.
So, like when you react an acid with base, like you get like water or salt.
Well, I'm saying if you just take straight salt. Yeah. Strong acid and a strong base will just neutralize the water. But if it's a weak acid, strong base, it can land you different places. So, water is a 7. Your pH of your blood is just a little bit off 7 because there's going to be things dissolved in there. Your stomach acid. There's proteins in your stomach that like to live here. Their native state, their function will be at a low pH. If you take them to a 7, they will no longer work. The salivary amylase works closer to about here. Proteins in your small intestine, outside of your stomach acid, work about here. And there's also physiological temperatures. They wouldn't work at room temp, or not as well. So we're going to try to look at a bunch of different conditions, either by changing the acidity and basicity, or just by changing temperature. You have to think about what's the temperature of the living organism that we're looking at. We're taking enzyme from a human. You're looking at 37 C. If you're taking enzyme from a bacteria, you have to see where does the bacteria live? Does it live in a deep sea vent? Because then you're going to be really, really hot. So you're going to look at those conditions and really see whatever metabolic reaction that it's doing, what temperature is ideal. Where do you get the fastest rate of metabolism? One of those characteristics of life. You'll then look at some other data that's based on pH. So this is kind of a primer for what we'll be looking at. And then you're going to think back to the demonstration we did, I want to say last week, with the egg whites. And we'll think a little bit more critically about going from a tertiary folded state to a denatured, and kind of what happened there with the albumin protein. And then just a very brief bit on mutation at the end. So today's going to be kind of pretty mellow. You're going to work on this in small groups. You can choose those groups. And if you finish this, we'll debrief, and once you're done, but you want any homework. So let's rearrange to small groups so you can make eye contact with your fellow kids.
Sebby, I'm live right now.
Huh?
What's your channel?
You like it?
I texted it to you. I'm on YouTube Live. YouTube? Yeah. I'm a Technoblade fan. I can't do YouTube Live.
Can we mark negative reaction with what?
I'm sorry.
It's audio. It's audio only.
Audio.
Right now?
He's looked at the graph. Ryan's live streaming the audio of the class right now. He's live
Can you
streaming.
shut up? He did it yesterday.
Where's your computer?
Anyways, the point. How do you not know your birthday? I swear to God, my birthday's what day is your birthday?
30, 40, and 50.
Temperature
No, yeah, it's on Friday.
goes.
You can't do that.
How does the temperature go higher?
You can't do that.
At 40 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction is highest.
From 0 to 30, like anything from 40 is lower rate of reaction, and low higher than 40 is
Rate of reaction rises. What's alliteration?
What's an alliteration?
Rate of reaction rises.
You'd be surprised. You'd be very surprised.
That's Sebastian.
You'd be absolutely I was talking to a video one time. She was just really seeing the zombies. And it was even, never got this thing. Never even, they were over the case up. So we just leave because the government lies. So like,
Rate of reaction.
and there's movies
My
about
last piece of evidence is that 40 is
So,
high.
it's like if you want to say
Rate of reaction and 40 degrees Celsius is the highest.
It is your birthday.
what is that? What's the rule? No, but okay, but like, but no.
I don't know the question.
There's a blue line.
It's
Right?
going to
That's just a coincidence.
It's just your name? That's so severe.
So something within the internet is making
He has 26. Why do you have 26 subscribers?
What do you think you can do if I don't take the photo?
Who's subscribing to you?
Yeah, it's up to you, man.
The video's been like 30 minutes. No art. Let's get it. That's even better. Would you know like how you can like 30 at kids?
I don't know why they're making us.
I am on 6.
What do you say velocity?
If you're reviewing text,
Completely.
6.
You guys have essays in art? You guys don't have that? Oh, we have that. Yeah. We have to like write essays about it. Well, it's just, everything I'm saying is just that.
Oh, I know what you're talking about, yeah.
So like
So it's new part.
it says what are two planes you take to ground
Right.
made are two planes?
Whose idea was that?
Oh, I would say, like, you can do 2.
You know, Luke signal is a B minus or what's on there? Oh, you put.
Oh, I said the enzyme is gonna have like an enzyme activity at a pH of 10. Oh, interesting. Yeah, and I did engineering.
I'm telling you, like, grab my arm. She's very,
Yeah, she doesn't tell everyone.
she's very touchy with the boys.
For enzyme A, pH of 6 has a high
pH and what?
pH
Enzyme.
of 6 is fine. What are two kinds you can make it? They intersect.
Keep it closed. Just
The more acidic and more acidic has the more acidic the no, but your class actually sucks. For like an art teacher, your class is so sucks. Your class is like
otherwise.
Okay, I'm gonna say
Absolutely not.
for
it's
A,
bullying me the whole time.
anything lower than six.
You're a 10.
Yell at me.
That's the other.
Anything higher than 6.
My class is so
You're
dumb. What?
Who's here today?
There's like no
My dad.
Okay, wait, you know what actually is a better idea? Like,
Alright, well, let's try to find
yeah, I
colors.
would look for like a
Teamwork, you?
8, I said 8 for pH 6.
Acidic.
I did.
For what like has a pH of 6.
And
But enzyme activity like
Say
the same thing. Like has a pH of 4.
No, like the middle, like the middle.
For my second, I also put 2 around it.
Is it protein with big parts of big C or small C?
Oh my god.
It's lowercase t. No, what do they mark like an uppercase C is 1,000 times as lowercase c? Calories. So stupid.
So
Just big C or small c. It just doesn't make sense.
when it's okay, yeah. So when it's mostly in the neutral, when it's mostly neutral at a time,
This is a big C
activity
calorie.
is
This is a
high.
small C calorie.
From 6 to 10.
But neutral is 7.
Yeah, but it's in like it's not fully red, it's not fully blue. 6 to 10 is like the green and yellow.
I don't know
Okay, so when it's not when it's less basic and less acidic.
What do you think?
It's not exactly what it is.
What am I writing? Like what is we're talking
What
about?
do you think?
Like, you know, like how we just did those claims on other kids?
Oh.
Enzyme activity.
The deal of 10?
Yeah.
No, it's crazy.
It's insane.
What do you do?
No, she's always
Yeah, but
It's like 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
I think he kind of likes me.
I'm not trying to find out.
Yeah.
4 decimals.
He likes me more now. He likes me more than you.
I have a firm line at 3. At exactly 3 minutes.
Yeah,
The
but
enzyme activity is more efficient when
well, I think it, no, it's just I have to say what's
when is the pH still talking about the enzyme? Is it
You don't say. No, there's all songs that you
no,
listen.
it's thinking.
You just listen to exclusively.
This scale referring to is the enzyme the one that's acidic or basic?
Well, all you know is
Like,
what is
it's like
the
what
difference?
the premises only
the conditions at which the enzyme
with like videos like black people hate them. And then turning around and saying, "What's wrong with black people hate them?"
More efficient
It's like one single strand is not
That's just
like
that's
so
I'm
primary,
that's just you. That's just all of that. No, it's just you. It's like actually it's just you.
and if not, you're gonna go to the structure is somehow going to
I didn't know they were.
that's just incredible. Yeah, but it's too late to look like just
I said 6 But 6 is the peak. Yeah, just after. Oh, after.
What do you mean no?
greatness isn't made of sport.
He's saying it's genetic, is that what he's saying?
Yeah,
What about hard work?
No.
that too. It's a good claim though.
I think this water is leaking.
I would agree. I would also.
Is that your water?
Someone's walk. Who's got the Gatorade bottle?
Wait, if I'm making 2 coins in one, if I'm making 2 coins,
Who's Gatorade bottle?
The pH scale.
Yes. I'll just let wait. Don't put it in the.
Did you say for primary structure versus like higher
what's in stocks, what do you call it at the top?
That's a lot of water.
Who has the white Gatorade bottle?
Of the enzyme
It's leaking all over the floor.
All over the floor.
Wilkie.
Wilkie. The water bottle's leaking like crazy.
That's not mine. My bag over there.
It is.
It's definitely his.
It says.
Okay, go. This yours.
I don't even know which one's that water bottle, bro.
Okay. You know which one's your backpack?
In a basic.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Wait, you don't know what your backpack?
Oh, it's that one,
Is
yeah.
it the Jansport?
I don't think that's a water bottle, bro.
How do you not know what your water bottle looks like?
I just keep it in my bag. I don't even use it.
I know what you want. How do you not know?
Oh, it's not mine.
I don't think that's my car.
Is that my house? I don't know.
I just live in it. You know?
Literally just say what this graph says. Literally just say what this graph says.
Yeah.
Just sing normal life.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Acids
A, B, C, and D.
are from 0 to 6 pH. Literally just say what this graph is saying.
I could put you on some actually good music.
And basic.
We have party in USA at home. Party in USA at home.
They both change.
Okay, all I said was I said the blue line peaks at 6 pH, the red line peaks at 6
So I can
pH.
put in another
Acids
meeting
are from 0 to 6 pH and base are from 8 to 14.
on Wednesday.
That's all that
During
is.
the time that you schedule.
Oh, also.
Yeah. Okay, we can check it out. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because like it's still registered.
It would be less than that.
Told you guys.
He gets left alone and we have to treat it.
It's not because it's not because I like I'm taking care of it. The grades just aren't there.
I have it for not.
No, I'm not joking. 37.5. Because I have 5 zeros.
Here, we're gonna go paragraph to paragraph.
Because it's F, I got a D last semester, it just averages out 20.
Oh, we're gonna talk about
What are
that.
you reading it like?
I may or may not be passing it.
He's not
No, this is my. I took this French 1 3 times. This is my first time in French 2.
Why did you take French 1?
I can't learn French.
Skill issue.
It is.
Sticking with it though.
No, I'm thinking why.
40 degrees.
You don't listen.
Huh?
What does denature mean? Tell me what denature means.
She's killing my grade.
She's a little bit stricter than I was.
I'm not passing the class. I can't take French 3 next year.
What is denaturing?
You don't want to take French.
Denature. It's like
Just
it means that the shape is different. It means that the shape is different, so it doesn't work properly.
I could take Chinese.
You take Spanish.
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fail Spanish because it's French.
So what makes you think you're gonna be better at Latin?
Latin is more structured.
Spanish is perfectly structured. What are you talking about?
French is like a song. It's like sing song.
6 by 11.
Latin has actual
French and
structure.
Spanish have similar structures.
Yeah.
They literally say
So French doesn't have like letters.
90% of the verbs in French are irregular for no reason at all. Like why is to drink irregular? There's no reason for it.
Spanish is mostly regular.
It's blocked. It's so you just.
But it's irregular.
So you just know that a regular verb.
Yeah, because you people are all so special. You French people.
You have to memorize like all of them. In Spanish, most of them are like regular. There's definitely regular. Yeah, French is just objectively worse.
Why are there two past tenses? For what reason? Why is only
There's always two past tenses.
why is only Edfred have agreement but Abor doesn't?
Okay, what's the difference between I did this? I went here. Between I did this. Like, do you see that versus
Yeah, that's the confusé.
Wait, did you learn that yet?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. But it's like in English. You can just say it in English.
It's like was doing versus I did.
Well, Madame Rabon doesn't explain it that way. You're right, but Madame Rabon doesn't explain it that way. She's like,
I think that's just her problem.
was versus
It's
did.
also it's different in French than English because also habitual action in English is not the same thing.
Yeah, because French is garbage. It's just bad.
Hey.
It's
French
just
is
a
garbage.
bad language.
I've taken it for 4 years.
It's just
French is a pretty language.
No, it's not. You're so lucky.
It's just such a
You're entitled to your opinion, but don't make a generalization.
Exactly, I'm not French, but that's
Oscar.
That's a skill issue.
French people
I never said anything about the French people, though I don't like those either.
Discussion.
I just
Stop it.
language.
How's this going?
Regimes are terrible.
Brian too. How about that?
Why are you covering
Okay,
it up?
no, because I went into a taxi and I tried to speak French. And I was like,
Details.
Okay,
Go ahead. Yes, I do that. Oh, like that shouldn't. What job, like, what occupation do you have, like?
No, it's like
details.
it's like an
Oh.
You just spit on the.
I just hear the Duolingo noises in the background.
I like your details. I did.
I just noticed that. Okay.
What is so turn the sound off?
I'm actually more than okay.
Yeah.
Stays here.
I'm not covering my mouth anymore. I'm covering my.
Oh my god.
No, just laugh.
You're just gonna assume that that's a Schoology.
I do laugh.
Yeah.
You're disgusting.
Ignore my head.
You go to Louise, right?
I'm going.
I want to try to go. You already call ahead.
Really is 4 available.
That's the only one. You don't have to get there in time.
Total like 10%.
That's the only one I did go to.
Alright, you'll just walk in and see what I can get. Should I go?
Yeah, but I have a feeling.
I don't want to live long together. Okay. Willow. You ready? Wait.
What did Henry write?
I don't know. It was a brief.
Where are you?
It was a brief lap.
Mr. Augustine, is this homework? Wait, did we just submit this as homework? Oh, you said no.
Oh yeah, so you'll submit the school.
What is that?
Before class on Thursday.
If I have to resolve a lot,
No.
that's I'm not.
That's not Steve.
Gosh, I don't think you need your laptop for Spotify. iPhones do these things.
It does help though.
It sounds like this kid is not walking like and yeah. But it's like give me your head.
I can't.
So wait, you said yesterday that we were gonna talk about like this division or like how that's affected.
I said this week.
No.
Oh, this week?
It's a habit. Okay.
I don't even know what to say.
I keep doing it, bro.
Very different.
You did.
I didn't see that. Huge everything.
Or more of it.
Oh, what was it?
We lost some hard cases. No, we're good though. It's okay. It's okay. I'm on unit 6.
Different names.
Oh, yeah, regular.
Oh, yeah. It's not bad.
Yo, wanna see the leaderboards?
Alright, teams. So, you just have to submit this to school due before Thursday or next class. I'll see you then.
Thank you. Are we turning this in?
Yeah, this is spot on school due before. Thank you.
Why is my backpack over there?
But like we have to take a picture of ourselves.
I'm gonna see.
Both of you? Three?
Bro, having English second period is insane. It's so bad. You guys are with me? No, that's so bad.
It's like protein lunch.
Oh, that's actually solid. So much. If you hadn't said Jackson, that would have been great. Before you said Jackson, I was like, oh,
Are you on a timer?
No, I never said before Lindy. So it's 30 is what it sounds like. Yeah, so you're.
Yeah. Strong, can I submit? Yeah.
Your name would be.
Strong, can I back my phone up?
Not right now. Later, later.
Whatever words are.
Thank you, Mr. Augustine.
Thank you.
See you Thursday.
Alright, Sebastian, Ryan, time to go.
I think we gotta skip that. Or just call me.
Guys,
Check in. To check in.
Thank you.
Sebastian and Ryan. On you go.